And I want to show you guys something, guys. Look at where the new car park is. Is that not beautiful? Look, there's a multi-story there. There's people walking through the transport interchange there, and there's the proper main airport. Well, guys, let's get in there. Let me show you guys how inside look like today. All right, so guys, we are currently in the airport now. This is TUI, EasyJet is down there, KLM at the end, Jet2 Holiday is at the back there. The departure and the security is up there. All right, so let's go. Let me get to my check-in desk. Yeah. All right. I'll be using Flying Blue today, so hopefully I'll be able to check in a little bit early. It's very, very busy airport today. The time right now is about 5:15 in the morning. Wow. It amazed me how amazing the airport gets. All right. My pants is wet. All right, I need to pause here to the security. I'm using the Sky Priority today. So the Sky Priority, you have a business and Sky Blue, Platinum Gold, and Team Elite. All right, so guys, we getting to the security point now, and I will be able to film here. So here you can drop all your water, your liquid and everything. I'm using the fast track today, so this is how the fast track look like. It's quite busy airport today. All right, so guys, I'm currently here at the airport. It's about it's not even 5 a.m. People are drinking beer. It's crazy.
I tried to do from the. Do you want like? No, it's fine.
So this bar here, we're buying beer, I'm buying Stella, Heineken, even full English breakfast around 4 a.m. You know, airports feel like a whole city. That's something that the culture I really admire about the airport. At the moment, I'm going to the lounge, so yeah. The name of the lounge is called Sense Lounge. I'm going to use my priority pass today. Let's see if they allow me in. Alright, so now I didn't know the KLM actually have a lounge here now, so it's like a new escape lounge. So I'm going to go there and I'll use my gold priority pass. Not priority pass, I mean my KLM Sky Flying Blue, the gold. Right, the hat I'm wearing actually sent to me by YouTube as a short creator, but they want to motivate us to create amazing shots. A lot of people are staring at me, but I want to show you guys how the airport function look like. Just wait for a second, I want to show you guys. That's how busy the airport is. And look how that crossroads. Well guys, let me find my way to the Escape Lounge, which is the KLM Lounge. It's a new lounge, I believe. Yeah. What do you think of Bristol Airport so far? It's quite busy here. Right. Just to make sure I have my microphone on. I don't think it's on, so bear with me a second. I think we're already here. New Escape Lounge. It's definitely not it. That's oh, that's the new KLM Escape Lounge. It's literally opposite this restaurant. And that's where I'm going. I'm going down there. And this is what's included. Alright, so guys, let's go tour this amazing lounge, KLM Business Class Lounge. Alright, so guys, I'm in the KLM new lounge now. Very, very beautiful. So beautiful. Look at how gorgeous. The aesthetic is so pleasing. I'm just going to find somewhere to sit, somewhere nice, somewhere comfy. Let me see what they have in the menu here. There's baked beans there. I can see delicious sausage. I can see bacon here. And the bar is just down here. If you want to check what they have in the menu, you can check what they have in the menu here. A beautiful looking bar. Wine flies when you're having fun. And there's the reception. When you walk in, the reception is literally here, and they have this beautiful, gorgeous aesthetic. They have pictures on here, and look at this chair. I think I'll probably sit at one of these. Look how beautiful the chairs. The chairs actually got a USB-C charging port and everything here. Very, very beautiful. Then when you look behind me, and the chairs also go. This is the Escape Lounge. This is the new lounge. So when you walk in, you see like a lot of sitting areas. There's breakfast area, there's a bar there, and then there's a lot of sitting area here. And most of these seats have chargers, so you don't have any problem. You can reserve a seat there. Yeah, the aesthetic here is so beautiful. I'm here for probably 2 hours. Our flight departs about 6:20. I'll be transiting in Amsterdam, so I just want to show you guys how the lounge look like. So when you get there to the entrance, you present your boarding pass. Yeah, you present your boarding pass. What they'll do, they'll scan it, just make sure you're KLM business class or gold or elite. Yeah, amazing lounge. I don't know which other membership are allowed here. I believe probably other business classes are allowed to use this lounge. It's very, very modern. It's very, very aesthetically pleasing. I'll probably have to try to get a picture here. Yeah, so beautiful. Well, guys, stay tuned. I got my drink here. Let me sit down and enjoy my drink from the modern Escape Lounge. Amazing. Alright, so we're currently at the boarding gate at the moment. So, we're flying from here, which is Bristol Airport, to Amsterdam. We have about 6 hours transit from Amsterdam. I'll probably show you guys how the Amsterdam airport looked like today. I'm filming this video in early September, so yeah, so guys, this is Bristol Airport. Let's get on the plane. Well, let's go on board. Next stop is Amsterdam. Oh, sorry. Right, my seat is full, just behind the business class, which is down here.